If you ever miss a call from a potential client and wish you could instantly follow up via text, don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up missed call text back in GoHighLevel, so every missed call gets an automatic text, even if you are completely new to GoHighLevel. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss our easy tech tutorial. And obviously check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link for the GoHighLevel and the access of the live bootcamp and some exclusive bonuses. So check that out. Now once you are inside of the GoHighLevel, just head over to this automation here and click on this create workflow button and just click on this start from scratch. Now just change the name of the workflow. After that, just click on this add new trigger and search for the call. Okay, and set this call status and click on this add a filter and set for this call status. It will be miss or no answer, cancelled or busy. So you can set which one you want to add as a trigger point, then click on this save trigger. Now click on this little plus icon here to add an action and search for the send SMS. Then write your text message here. For example, I wrote this one, then click on this save action, and that's it. Now whenever someone call on you and if you don't pick the call or you was busy, it will automatically send a message. And if you want to add a delay, then you can do that. Just click on this plus icon here and search for this wait. So select this and let's set this as a 2 minute. So after 2 minutes it will send this message, and that's it basically. And click on this save to save this and just publish. Okay, that's it basically. This is how you can easily create the missed call message or missed call text on GoHighLevel. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.